Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Your Dinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making my version of Cantuccini. This is an Italian kind of biscuit, cookie, whatever you want to call it. So this is my version of it. It won't look exactly like the Italian one, but that doesn't mean it doesn't taste as good as the Italian one. So let's start. The first thing we're gonna do is chopping up the nuts into small pieces. It's best to use a knife for this because you don't want nut dust. That sounded really weird, sorry for that. Grate the zest of a lime or lemon and crack a whole egg into the bowl as well. Add flour, sugar, vanilla extract and the baking powder. Look at my cool spoon. Mix this together and knead it into a ball. Lastly, add all the chopped nuts and incorporate them into the dough. Flour your work surface and roll out the dough into a cylinder shape. The length should be around 30 centimeters. Place it onto a baking sheet with parchment paper and flatten it out with your hands. The last thing to do is brushing it with an egg yolk. This gives a deep golden color. We're baking this thing twice, so bake it the first time for 15 minutes at 180 Celsius. Take it out of the oven and cut diagonal pieces of around 2 centimeters wide. Place them back on the baking sheet and lower your oven temperature to 130 Celsius. Bake them for another 15 minutes until they are golden and properly dried in the center. These are perfect to dip in your coffee, tea or whatever you like. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video and you want to see future videos of me. And of course, I see you in the next one.